See, regarding twin flames, um, we are not born a single soul. We are created as a quantum package of energy. That means this is whole package of energy. Then this is a hypothesis theory which is accepted by many alchemists or the people who do researches regarding soul and all. I'm just explaining you to understand uh, like what is about regarding twin flames. So this again divides into two parts. Okay, this again divides into two parts. Okay, and until last being single, it divides. Okay, like that it is. And this one like this is one complete soul. Okay, that means it contains both yin and yang within it. Okay, and this yin and yang is, this black color portion is yin, white color portion is yang. Okay, this black color portion has the white color tail which comes inwards and which comes outwards and again mingles with yang. This white color yang portion has a hole here through which the tail of the yin portion comes in and merges with the actual yin. Okay, so always there is yang present within yin and there is always yin which is present within yang. Okay, so the completion of a soul is like this only. The whole complete soul is yin yang wall, completeness. Okay, but when it is born in human realm, 3D realm, separately this yang is born and separately this yin is born. Okay, yin separately, yang separately. Either it can take form in a man's body or female's body. Same way this yang also can take birth in male's body or female's body. Mostly we call this yin as female and yang as male. Okay, so this is what is all creation is about. Okay, and while this creation whole thing everything happens now, this all, see, if it is a package which is of 18 souls. Okay, so this is one soul, so like this there will be 18 soul. So 18 into 2, how much? 36. No, so 36 souls are soulmates for each other. I am not even able to write here. Soulmates for each other. But this yang is only the twin flame of this yin, and this yin is the only twin flame of yang. So there will be 36 soulmates in the group. Okay, so one yang can be soulmate of all the remaining yins and yangs. Okay, but each complete soul is there, no, their yin and yang can only be twin flame. So for one independent individual on earth there can be only one twin flame. So how is this twin flame represented within us? This twin flame, see, if I am a female, okay, and I have a dream person within myself, where from that dream person comes, where does that thought of dreams, from where I select all those characteristics of my dream person, is from the yang which is present within me, yang's energy which is present with me. That is my dream man. So, when I know this personality in and out completely, entirely, I can identify and recognize this man who is present in the physical realm. When I don't know this person itself, when I'm not able to recognize, my feminine energy is not able to recognize this masculine energy, if that man appears in front of me also, I cannot recognize he's my twin flame. So, this whole twin flame journey is to find out who you are, what is your feminine energy, who you are, what you are, and how you are. And when you recognize yourselves, you are also recognizing the masculine energy within you, like who's your dream person. And so, when you find out this is my masculine, you are able to identify the masculine who is outside. Okay, this is twin flame concept, but twin flame journey is only to live with this masculine energy. Okay, detaching from the person. You are supposed to like appreciate, because eternity teaches energy is only reality. 5D, 7D, 9D or the reality. 3D is an illusion. So you have to learn with this energy, and you have to be happy, satisfied, and fulfilling with this energy, so that this whole universe itself, when you are fulfilled and when you are happy with this energy, the vibrations which goes out of your thought process is based on this yang energy and based on your happiness. So automatically the yang, the masculine, presents himself in front of you. This is the concept. So whomever is in twin flame energy, they should not keep searching, could this be my twin flame, could this be my twin flame, or could this be my twin flame, or could this be my twin flame. Twin flame journey is not for that. Twin flame journey is soul searching journey, and it's a path of ascension, and it's a path to become self empowered and accept all the universal truths, and you being the source of your own happiness, and you being your own source. Okay, I think I have explained you how much ever way possible I know. This is twin flame concept, yin and yang.